Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia and you can already tell by the title that I'm going to unbox my brand new Chanel Business Affinity that I got for my birthday. It's been a while that I purchased my bag, but I didn't get a chance to make a video, or I didn't shoot a video. But I didn't wear the bag out yet. I kept my bag inside, and I'm going to unbox or reveal my brand new Chanel bag. So let's do that. So whenever I purchase a bag, I always keep the receipt inside because it's important, it's necessary. This is the receipt here, and I always save this. Chanel ribbon, that is one of my favorite things that I save. And there she is, my beautiful gray Business Affinity. This is in size medium, and I will tell you why I purchased this bag. I saw this bag on Chanel's website and I saw that was in a beige color, a dark beige. But last year I bought a beige cocoa handle, so I dropped my plan to buy a beige Business Affinity, and by the time I fell in love with neutral colors. So I bought a beige and then I failed to buy a gray bag. I was open to few styles, like I was open to flat bag, a cocoa handle, or a Business Affinity. I knew that this is a style which is very hard to get. They're highly coveted. This style came in market in 2017 and they got so popular that Chanel is making this style every year, almost every season. But I had tiny chance to purchase this bag. I reached out to my essay and she told me that they have a long list for this bag, and she wasn't sure about the color as well. So I was like, okay. What I did is I reached out to 3 more essays in 3 different locations, and I requested them to put my name in their waiting list just in case if I get a chance to purchase this bag. Luckily, I got response from my essay that she has a Business Affinity in gray, in medium. My essay told me that you were so nice and you deserve to be the owner of this beautiful bag. Just kidding. And I never have seen this bag in person. Not the gray color, I saw a different color. Technically, I didn't know what size I wanted because I'm a petite person and I always reach out to small bags, mini bags, or medium bags. I wasn't sure about the size. Also, I didn't want to miss the chance to buy this bag, and I searched YouTube. I saw how this bag looks on petite woman. That helped a little bit, and I went to the store and I purchased this bag. And when I looked at that bag, I was like, this is exactly what I wanted. This size is so perfect for me. This is medium, but this is so perfect for me. When I looked at this bag, the first thing came in my mind is this bag is so beautiful. This is so cute. This is girly. This could be a ladylike bag. This could be a casual bag. This is so versatile, and I'm a person who loves versatile things. I wear my mini flat bags as crossbody, as shoulder bags, as top handle bags too. So I wear my bag in so many ways, you can already tell. This is a nice gray bag. This is not too dark. This is not too light. This is a perfect gray bag. This has nice gold champagne hardware. I love when they come with champagne gold hardware because I wear both golden and silver jewelry, so that helps me to match with my jewelry. I want to mention one more thing, that this bag comes in 2 different styles: quilted flap with plain pocket, and the other one is plain flap with quilted pocket. And I think that this style looks better than the other style. That's just my personal opinion. So you have to twist and open. I have my protective sticker on here. This says Chanel Paris. And this pocket is pretty big. I think that I can keep my phone here. Yes, my phone fits here, and I have more room to put more items here, but I will leave it like that for now. And I love this detail. Look at the detail, how pretty that is. The quilted design and Chanel logo. and to the other side it says Chanel. When I got this bag, the chain were like this, and if you have a business affinity, I would recommend you not to keep your chain like this, because this is gonna leave dents here, and who wants dents, right? So what I will do is I would keep them to one side, and I think it looks better. They look like little charm, and I still have my plastic sticker on, and if they come up on their own, it's fine. But for now, I'm gonna leave like this. A few people might think that this is like wearing a dress with a tag on, but it's okay. This bag has top handle and also has a nice strap. I want to show you how the bag looks inside. So the bag is leather here, but it's fabric inside, and there is a pocket here. This is how it looks inside. This is Chanel. It says here made in Italy, and this chain looks different than these two. I want to show you a little more detail of this bag. It says 31 Rue Cambon, Paris. This is engraved on the grommet, same to the other grommet, and of course I have the sticker on here. I will leave them as well. And here, and the CC lock, it also says Chanel Paris. And here's the button. It says Chanel Paris. This one as well. Just so you know, from last year, from 2021, Chanel bags don't come with the authenticity card anymore. They come with the little metallic identification. There is another pocket, and the metal plate is here. Very, very spacious. And the whole time I kept the chain inside, and I saw that the bag looks pretty roomy. And I'll show you the back. The back looks like this. This has a big pocket. This is not the Mona Lisa pocket. Usually I don't use this pocket because I'm so afraid that if I keep anything in here, I will lose the shape. So I don't keep anything here. But if you want, you can just keep like small things like your parking ticket. You can put it here. This pocket goes all the way down, so this pocket is pretty big. And this bag has button here to both sides, so you can close the button. So when you keep the button closed, the bag looks like a sexy trapezoid shape. This bag comes with 4 feet. These are champagne gold hardware, so I'm hoping that the bottom is not going to touch the surface or the table where you keep it. She can stand on her feet. Pretty. So if you don't wide open the bag, they stay on. If you just grab something and put it back in the bag, then the buttons are fine. But if you wide open the bag, then this is gonna unbutton. So okay, now let's talk about the measurements. The base of this bag is 23 centimeter and the weight is 8.9 centimeter. Height of this bag is about 17 centimeter. This drop is about 2.5 centimeter, and this chain is pretty long. This is about 53 centimeter. This chain is pretty long to wear as crossbody bag. You can wear this as shoulder bag and also as top handle bag. Like any other Chanel bag, this bag came with the care guide book and the glove that I should use to wipe my bag. So this is what it is. I want to show you how my Coco handle and my business affinity looks like. I'm gonna make a detailed comparison video of my Coco handle and my business affinity. Let's see what fits inside the bag. I usually don't carry too many items in my bag. I don't like to carry like big heavy bags. I like to enjoy when I walk around, when I go out, so I just carry only necessary items in my bag. So my card case goes inside wow, the match. My lotion, my bread mist, my hand sanitizer, my foam, and my key. I can fit a lot more in here. And remember that the buttons are closed, so if I open up the button, I think I can fit more. Yes, you can actually fit a lot in here. This bag is very, very roomy, and I want to see if I can put the chain inside after I carry everything. So yes, the bag is not stretched out. This is beautiful. I didn't use my back pocket and I didn't use the front pocket, so you can actually fit a lot more in here. And let me show you, after I put my chain inside, half of the bag is still empty, so you can fit so many items here. Since this is a light color bag and my hands sweat a lot, so I think that in future I'm going to put a bandeau or twilly here if I carry this bag as a top handle bag. If you accessorize your bag with twilly or bandeau, I think that it looks really girly, so pretty. Or you can wear the bag like this. This is so ladylike. This bag is so pretty. I cannot wait to wear this bag out, and I'm so happy that I made the purchase. I'm so lucky. And if you have any question about this bag, please let me know in comments below. I'm happy to answer. I'm gonna end up my video here. Thank you so much for watching. What are you waiting for? Do it now. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.